Hello, today we are doing the second part of our makeup tour. Today we are doing Ellen's makeup. Yay! Yay! Last week we checked out Tara's vanity setup, and this week we're going into my bedroom. Let's go! So for my vanity, I have this old side table that was my grandmother's, and then this mirror that I spray painted, which was my nan and granddad's, and it's got little Polaroids around it. On top of here, it's very dusty. I hope you can't see that on camera.
You can't.
I have this little mirror here so I can turn around and face the window depending on the lighting and what I'm doing. I have these two little boxes which just have bobby pins and hair ties. I've got all my brushes on a cute little vintage silver tray. As you can tell, my aesthetic is very vintage. Over here I have my makeup bag, which basically has everything that I'm currently using on a day-to-day basis, because often I do my makeup at work or on the bus, so I like it just being there and I can just grab it and go and I'm ready. So inside I have my everyday BB cream, a blush, a highlighter, a powder, all my Benefit eyebrow goodies, a rollerball perfume. Yeah, and it's a little Coach bag that I thrifted for $10, so I was pretty stoked with that. On the far side of my vanity I have a set of acrylic drawers. These are from the plastic box, I think. I've had them forever. It's like a separate little one piece that I got when I had like my first bits of makeup, and that's like literally all I needed. And then a big set of drawers. Basically all of the things on top are just like pretty, and I put them there because they look pretty, not for like function purposes. So I have all of my YSL lipsticks, eyeshadow paints, eyeshadow palettes, my Lancome eyeshadow palettes, and yeah, it's very beautiful. And in the drawer down below I have all of my cream eyeshadows because I love cream eyeshadows. So the next three drawers are all full of lipsticks. I have one dedicated just to red lipsticks, one to chapsticks and lip glosses, and then the drawer below is like shades of nude, pink and purple, all in like order of colour, so I kind of vaguely know what's in there. My favourite of the moment is this Burt's Bees lipstick in 502 Suede Splash. It's just a really nice nude, quite dark, very 90s. And the very last drawer is kind of like a powder blush drawer situation. Got my like Kevyn Aucoin sculpting powder, a few different blushes, but I do usually have at least one in my bag on the go, so I don't use all of those that much. So there's one little drawer down here, and in here I have a lot of overflow skincare products. I have like a big corner over there where I keep the majority of my skincare, and then I like swap it out with my extra moisturizers in here. I've got lots of like travel samples. It's also where I store all of like my makeup palettes because they're kind of too big and they clutter up everywhere if I have them on the top of my vanity, so they just go in there. And then I've got random things like hair ties, extra sponges, my makeup brush cleaner, a eyelash curler, all of that stuff just hidden away nice, neat and tidy. So that is my little makeup collection. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Remember to go check out Tara's one. Give this video a thumbs up. Let's see if we can get more thumbs up on my video than yours.
Thumbs up my video.
Subscribe to our channel if you are new, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!